Welcome to the Food Flamingo. In today's video, we're going to be making this delicious, creamy and silky whipped white chocolate ganache frosting. This frosting only takes 2 ingredients and it's perfect for frosting cakes and cupcakes. So let's get started. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to melt together the white chocolate and heavy cream. I'm using a double boiler to do this, but you can also use a microwave. Just melt this in 30-second bursts and make sure to stir in between. This is really important. And if you're using a double boiler, make sure the bowl isn't touching the hot water. This could burn the chocolate. Once the chocolate is nice and smooth like this, we're going to take this off the double boiler and cover it with a plastic wrap, making sure that it's touching the surface of the ganache. Now we're going to refrigerate this for at least 5 hours or preferably overnight for the best results. Alright, it's now the next day and my chocolate ganache is nice and chilled. We're going to peel off the plastic wrap and whip it up. We're whipping on high speed for 5 minutes until stiff peaks form. You can also stop after some soft peaks if you like that texture. And that's it, our whipped white chocolate ganache frosting is ready. You can use this right away onto cakes or cupcakes, or you can refrigerate this and re-whip it before using. Here I use it to frost my white chocolate almond raspberry cake. The link will be in the description box below if you're interested. This cake is delicious. It also pipes so nicely. I used it to pipe these chocolate cupcakes as well. That was it for today, a simple and easy recipe. And if you haven't already, remember to subscribe to the Food Flamingo for more easy, delicious recipes just like this one. And if you like this video, remember to give it a like and comment down below what you would want to see next. And if you would like to see a chocolate cupcake recipe too. Thanks for watching.